Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python, bitwise and operator. So first of all, what are operators in Python? So operators are special symbols which are used to perform some operation on values in a program. For example, 10 plus 20. So here 10, 20 are values. Plus is the operator. So now coming to bitwise and operator. So bitwise and operator, it is used to perform operations on binary values. Binary values means zeros and ones. So bitwise and, it is represented with ampersand symbol, A and B, where A, B are binary representable numeric values. For example, let us say A is equals to 10, B is equals to 18. So the equivalent binary value of 10 is 00001010, which is 8-bit representation of 10. Similarly for 18 it is 00010010, 8-bit representation of B. So now coming to the truth table, how to perform bitwise and operation. So let us take two bits, bit 1, bit 2, and perform AND operation. Okay, right. So if all the bits are 1, then the result is 1, otherwise 0. Okay, if any bit is 0, then it is 0, and if any bit is 0, then it is 0. Okay, right. If any bit is 0, then it is 0. So coming to bit 1, bit 2, 1, 1, answer is 1. Next, 1, 0, second bit is 0, answer is 0. Third case, first bit is 0, second bit is 1, answer is 0 because first bit is 0. Next, 0, 0, both the bits are 0, answer is 0. So now let us perform A and B. So let us say A, which is equals to 10, B, which is equals to 18. Okay, so 10, 00001010. Similarly B, which is equivalent to 00010010. So we have to perform operation on corresponding bits. Now what are the decimal equivalent conversion values for this binary values? So this left side, rightmost side is least significant bit, and the leftmost side is called as most significant bit. So the corresponding values will be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So first let us perform this operation, and then we will use those values to convert into decimal number. So 10 and 18. So if you see here, 128. So the bit goes like this, 0 and 0. So both are 0, so the answer is 0. Next, coming to the next bit, 0 and 0. Both are 0, so the answer is 0. Next, 0 and 0. So both are 0, so the answer is 0. Next, 0, 1. So first bit is 0, so the answer is 0. Next, 1, 0. Second bit is 0, so the answer is 0. Next, 0, 0. Both the bits are 0, so the answer is 0. Next, 1 and 1. Both the bits are 1, so the answer is 1. Next, last bit, 0 and 0. Both are 0, so the answer is 0. Okay, so here how to calculate the value. So let us calculate 10 equivalent value in binary number. So if you see here, we have 1 at this place, we have 1 at this place. Add the corresponding decimal values, 8 plus 2. So the answer is 10. Similarly for 18, we have 1 at this place and 1 at this place. So add 16 plus 2. So the answer is 18 in decimal. Similarly, now in this case 10 and 18, we have only one bit as 1, which is in the place of 2. Okay, so the answer is 2. So let us try to demonstrate this in a program. Simple. Right, so first I'm taking A 10, B 18. Just perform A and B. Internally it will perform operations on corresponding bit levels and give the answer as 2. So save this, come to the prompt where you have saved the program. So py python bitwise operator example1.py. So 10 and 18, the answer is 2. So this is how bitwise operator, and it is used to perform operation on bit levels of a given numbers. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.